Republican candidate for the United States Congress from Northeast Tennessee, will formally launch a campaign tomorrow. It would be the first formal launch since the announcement last Friday that longtime Congressman Phil Rowe would retire. The former Kingsport mayor running for Congress told me today he was planning to run even if Rowe decided to run for a seventh term.
I was going to move forward, I think, regardless, but as it turns out, Congressman Rowe made his announcement on Friday, and the timing couldn't have been better.
John Clark will launch his campaign Tuesday at an event in Kingsport, where he became an alderman in 2012. The past 4 years, he's been mayor. If elected, Clark says he'll work to improve access to health care and attract more jobs across the whole 1st District.
I really believe that we can do more and we can do better when it comes to utilizing this congressional office to help complement the efforts of so many people who are doing so many great things to bring jobs, good high-paying jobs to the area.
Clark was born in Cuba. His family fled Castro when he was 2 and he became a citizen when he was 12. While mayor, Clark championed the One Kingsport Growth Initiative, which included a property tax increase and a new trash collection fee. He calls the overall plan a success.
For me, it worked very effectively because at the end of the day, we were able to retain and attract more people, which was the ultimate objective.
Clark was mayor during the implementation of the Ballad Health merger. He says while he personally didn't support every decision impacting Kingsport, he has faith the merger will be good for the region.
I think that our health care will be better. Well, I think it actually is better because what I've learned is that our system is doing much better financially.
Clark says even if the national election turns into a political brawl, he's planning a campaign of civility.
I'm not going to do that. That's not who I am, and I'm not changing my personality or who I am for any election, including this one.
John Clark will officially register as a candidate tomorrow. The deadline to qualify in Tennessee is April 2nd. The Tennessee Democratic and Republican primaries are August 6th. Sarah?